Okay, so now we'll go to the problem. Determine the centroid for the figure shown. Okay, so what is this? First of all, it's a T section. It's a combination of one rectangle and one more rectangle, two rectangles. Okay, so combination of two rectangles. Already you know what is the formula of a rectangle. What is the x bar and y bar? B by 2, d by 2. X bar is b by 2, y bar is d by 2. That is already we know. Okay, so first point is step 1. Reference axis. Okay, so I'll draw the reference axis to be at the bottom and leftmost reference axis. Okay, so this is my reference axis. Okay, and capital G is here. Capital centroidal, universal centroidal axis. I don't know where it is, and universal centroidal axis YG. That is what I have to calculate. So distance from Y to YG is x bar. Next, distance from x to XG is y bar. Right? X bar is distance from Y to YG. Y bar is distance from x to XG. Okay. Next, step 2. Symmetry is there or not? We should check it. Symmetry. So if I cut with x-axis, it is not symmetry. But if I cut with y-axis, yes, it is symmetrical. If I cut with y-axis, these both are symmetric. So it is symmetry with respect to y-axis. So if it is symmetry with respect to y-axis, x bar will be, directly we can calculate the x bar. If I cut with this distance, directly x bar will get. What is the distance? It will be, x bar will be half of the distance. So from y to yg, what is the distance is x bar. What is the distance in this figure? From here to here it is 120, so half the distance will be 60 mm. So x bar is 60 mm. You don't need to do any calculation. Next, step 3, I have to calculate y bar. To calculate y bar, I need to divide this into rectangles. So how many rectangles? 1, 2 rectangles. Then what is the formula for this? I already told you, formula for problems. What is the formula for problem? A into y bar, a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2, according to the method of moments. Right? So what is a1 value? First rectangle. What is rectangle? First I'll draw this one. Okay, this is my first rectangle, right? So this is 10, this is 60. So what is a1? 10 multiplied by 60 mm square. This is area 1. Okay, and area 2. What is area 2? I'll draw this here separately. This is 120, this is 10 mm. So what is that? Area 2, 120 multiplied by 10 mm square. Area of a rectangle, you know that, right? Fine. Next, what is y1? It's a distance from local y1. What is y1? It's a distance from reference axis x to local xg1 axis. What is y2? Reference axis x to local xg2. Here what is the local will be exactly at the middle, g1. So what is the local axis? xg1. What is the distance from here to here? Exactly half. 60 divided by 2, 30 mm. That is what y1. Similarly, what is y2? Distance from x to xg2. So what is this distance? From here to here some distance will be there, plus half the distance, right? So from here to here, what is the distance? Come to this point. From here to here, 60. Okay, 60 plus half the distance, 10 by 2 mm. So 60 plus 10 by 2, it is 65 mm. Is the y2. I'll repeat it again. Y bar is directly you can calculate. This is first class, so you have this many steps I'm doing it. So what is y bar? A1. A1 is what? 60 multiplied by 10. What is y1? Half the distance. From here to here, half the distance. 30 plus what is a2? 120 into 10. What is the y2? y2 is from here to here. What is the distance? 60 plus 10 by 2. 65 divided by total area. Total area is 60 into 10 plus 120 into 10 is equal to y bar. Okay. So y bar is equal to some 53.33 mm. So in your T section, this y bar distance is 53.33 mm. And x bar distance is y bar. Yeah. Next x bar distance is exactly at the middle, 60 mm. So finally x bar, y bar. What is x bar? 60 multiplied by 53.33 mm. Okay, this is how you have to calculate this problem.